friends, in this tutorial we discuss about how to getting started Sketchup. So after download and install the Sketchup window like this only. Here is the file section, here is the learn section. So file, there are many default templates. If you need more templates, just click here more template. Here you can see various templates: simple architecture, plan view, urban planning, landscape, woodworking, interiors, 3D printing, etc. I started with simple inches. There is a look of after opening the Sketchup. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.